back to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing some Labubu paper squishy blind boxes. And these aren't just any regular blind boxes, guys. This is $1 versus $10 versus $100 Labubu paper squishy blind boxes. So basically we have 3 levels of Labubu blind boxes: the broke macaron, the exciting macaron, and the luxury macaron. Comment down below if you would buy any of these blind boxes, and let's just get started with unboxing the first one. I say we go for the broke macaron. Okay, it's time to unbox the first blind box, and it's only worth $1, so let's hope it's at least not horrible. But yeah, here is the back of the box. It looks like it's only brown Labubus, which is pretty boring, but if you think about it, the secret Labubu is dark brown like this, so maybe they're all secrets. I don't know. Oh, let's get into opening the box. And it looks like we have a blind bag inside of the box, just like the original. Comment down below which Labubu you think we're gonna get, even though there's not much of a selection here. I say we just get this lightest one. Okay guys, drum roll, we're about to open it, and we got, let's see. Oh my goodness, what is this? This is a Lafufu on a whole different level. It doesn't even match the list. Guys, this is literally gray. Let's look at the back. Oh no honey, what is this? Well, now I see why it was $1, because this looks very bad, guys. And it's tiny, like it literally fits in my hand just like this. I'm not very surprised. It was $1, but I expected more. Comment down below what you would rate this blind box. I definitely give it like a 2 out of 10. Like still, this is just no. Coming in at number 2, we got the exciting macaron box, and this one is worth $10, so definitely an upgrade from the $1 box. And this design is very similar to the OG Labubu boxes. It's pretty much the same, but let's check out the back. And here we have more variety of colors, which I like to see, but the boxes are pretty much the same size, so let's hope this Labubu is a little bigger because it was more expensive. I say for this one, I really want the purple one, or the green one is cute, and I really like the pink. I don't know, I kind of want all of them. They're all cute, and yeah, I have high hopes for this. $10 is still kind of a lot, so hopefully we get a good squishy in here. And we have another blind bag inside, and this does feel a little bigger. Okay, I'm excited now, guys. Let's get into opening it up. Comment down below which color do you think we'll get now that we actually have like a variety of choice. Okay, let's see. I don't want to cut too much in case we ruin the squishy. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys, we got the pink Labubu, and this one comes with the little keychain, guys. How cute. We could actually put it on something. Okay, so here's a little close-up of how our Labubu looks. This one is 3D, so it's definitely so much better than the $1 version. It's way more squishy, and it is bigger. Let's grab the other one for comparison. Where to go? Okay, so here is the comparison. This is the $1 version, and this is the $10. I will say though, this one isn't perfect. You can kind of see that, I don't know, it's kind of bent on the sides a little bit, but in comparison to our first one, it's just so much better. Let's look at the back again. Super squishy. Okay, I brought my purse over here just so we can see if it actually can hang on my purse if I wanted to. Keep in mind, guys, this is still paper, but we're just gonna try it anyways, just to see. Maybe like right here. And then we could like probably put some tape on it. And I'm just gonna take a piece of tape and hopefully it can hold together. I'm just gonna do like this, and then hopefully it stays up. It's not that heavy, so oh my gosh, guys, it actually works. Okay guys, here's a little better view of the side. And guys, in desperate times comes desperate measures, so if you really want a Labubu, I mean, there you go. It works. It hangs so cute, and honestly, I'd put this on my purse. Well, maybe not, but it's still cute. I would definitely give this $10 Labubu a good 8-7 out of 10. It's definitely so cute, and the fact that it has the keychain add-on is just so cute. Yeah guys, this gets a really high rating. Like, look at that, so cute. Alright guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. That unboxing went pretty quick, but we are on our luxury macaron. This was worth $100. This one better be the best Labubu I've ever seen in my life. Let's take a little look at the design of the box. Super cute and detailed. Let's see the back for our options, and looks like we have some colors that we didn't see before. We have an orange, blue, purple, and green. And since it's a luxury Labubu, I don't know, I'm expecting something a little different. Comment down below which color you think we're gonna get. I honestly don't know. Well, I do know because I made it, but you guys have to guess. Enough waiting, let's get on into opening this super cute Labubu. And this one doesn't come with a bag, so we're just gonna get a reveal straight away. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, guys, what is she doing here? If you guys don't remember, I made a tutorial for this green Labubu, and I guess she snuck her way into the luxury macaron blind box. Hello, I mean, I guess it is like a really cool Labubu. It's like big, it's 3D, it's super squishy, and honestly comparable to a real one. Let's see. Oh, and we have something else in the box. So OMG guys, we get custom accessories for our Labubu. In the tutorial, you guys might also remember that I showed you guys how to make clothes for your paper squishy Labubu, and these are some limited edition ones to style our luxury paper squishy Labubu. So let's take a look and see what outfit we got. Oh, okay, it doesn't matter, this is just packaging. And OMG guys, we got a super cute pink fit. Okay, I got a better angle for you guys, so let's just get started with the dress. Obviously, if you guys want to know how I made this, go check out my tutorial. So we're just gonna put that on right here, and let's move this box out of the way. Okay, cute, a little pink dress over a white shirt. Now we have some diamond shoes, very luxury. Let's see. Okay, and we're going to just pop on her little diamond headband. This is very preppy girl core. Oh, last but not least, we got these pink shades, and it looks like the glass is pink a little bit. Ooh. Let's see how it squishes with the clothes. Super squishy. Let's see the back. Obviously, the back is going to be a little naked, guys. It doesn't go around all the way, but we don't have to look at that. We could just admire the front. Now it's time to compare all of our Labubus and see which one was the best. Kind of have an idea, but we're still gonna see. Also, I'm gonna rate this $100 Labubu. I would say it's a good 8 out of 10. The accessories were very cute and they were an amazing touch, but it's still very cute and such an upgrade from our $1 Labubu. No, thank you. Okay, guys, so here are all 3 of our Labubus, all opened up from their blind boxes. We got $1 versus $10 versus $100 Labubus. Obviously, the clear winner here is the $100 Labubu, but if you have a different opinion, make sure to comment down below, because maybe you guys aren't all thinking the same thing. But I do have to say the keychain was an amazing touch because it's actually functional and you could put it on like a purse, bag, or anything, and you could just rock your paper squishy. This one, no, it was just that. Okay, and to the real Flow fam members that stayed to the end of this video, first of all, comment down below a teddy bear emoji just so I know that you're a real one. Also, I wanted to show you guys my actual real Labubus. Actually, I think they're fake. They're definitely Lafufus, but they're like actual plushies, and I got them a couple days ago because I graduated high school and my sister was so nice and she knew I really wanted some, so she got me 2, and I honestly don't care that they're fake, guys. Like, I just wanted one so bad because I just thought they were so cute. Okay, let's give a drum roll, guys. The first one I have is this one. It's the blue one. I actually don't know the name. I kind of forgot already. I can tell it's fake, but it's still so cute. I love the little keychain. I've had it on my keys and on my purse, and it's honestly so cute, guys. Like, look how adorable. I actually already named her, and her name is Blue Rizzy. A little reference to my old videos if you guys are real Flow members. And for the second Lafufu drum roll, guys, we have Leche Berry. I think is her name. So yes guys, I got a pink one. How cute is it? And she also has the little key ring thing on here. I think we named her Lady Glitter Sparkles. But yeah, I actually love both of them. You can tell the face is a little wonky and the blush is like not in the bright spot, but from afar you can't really tell, and I'm just so obsessed. It's so soft, and I just keep it in my room and stare at them because they're just so cute, and I kind of want to get them clothes. So comment down below if you think I should get my Labubus some cute little clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below which one was your favorite, either the $1 broke macaron, the $10 exciting macaron Labubu with a keychain, or the $100 luxury macaron Labubu. Look at that squish, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.